Good morning to everyone. I'm Naresh from BSc first year. Today I'm so pleasant to present a seminar in front of you. My topic is how to build vocabulary. Vocabulary takes a vital role in English language. If we have proper and good vocabulary, we can speak very well. To improve vocabulary, there may be some methods. In that, reading. Reading, while we are reading our textbooks and general books, there we maybe get new words. Word in the sense is the vocabulary. While we get new words, what we should know about the word. Mostly, first of all, we should know about the meaning of a word. Meaning in English language, for a particular word, there may be 2 or 3 meanings. In that is called contextualization. Means, for example, I will take desert. If you take desert as a noun, the meaning is Adari, means like Sahara desert. And if you take desert as a verb, it means abandon. To abandon means to lead someone. And the second one is we should know about the pronunciation of word. Pronunciation. Pronunciation takes very excellent place in speaking. Mostly, if you pronounce a word properly, then only our speak can attractive manner. And what will happen if you mispronounce a word? In the last seminar, Dr. Mallikarjun sir said that if you mispronounce any word, the language, it can lose its nature. So we should pronounce a word very fluent, proper manner. Then only the language can we can speak fluent, and also it can attractive manner. And for example, how to improve our pronunciation? We should read aloud, and also while we are writing any word, we should use phonetics. Mostly we had studied about phonetics in our intermediate only. So we should use phonetics. Then only we can use pronounce words proper manner. For example, here I am taking teacher. Mostly the people pronounce this word teacher. Like here, this is not teacher. This is the teacher. Here R is silent. And third one is spelling. We should know about the spelling of word. Mostly Telugu medium students, we can face spelling problem. So while we should know about a particular spelling about the word, to improve our spelling, we should read 1 or 2 times of the spelling of the word, and also we should write down. Thank you for this giving this wonderful opportunity, and I once again thanks to all. Thank you, madam.
Very good, Naresh. The topic was very, very nice. Vocabulary building, which is a very important language skill. Just like listening, speaking, reading, writing, vocabulary and grammar are very important to develop our communication skills. And the 3 what you call points that you presented, whether it is spelling, pronunciation, or the meaning, the contextual meaning, excellent. We should pay attention to it. And you gave with examples, so that's very, very nice. And I mean, it was really nice. Now I will just say that while we are pronouncing, the stress is very, very important. Which syllable to stress? You gave the example of desert, okay? Sahara desert noun, and then the desert, the Swedish, isn't it? Okay, so the first one is desert. Okay, and the next one is desert. So that, where you stress makes the difference. So when you are learning contextual meaning, spellings, and pronunciation, stress of the syllables in the word becomes very, very important. So keep that also in mind. Very good presentation. Suchitra ma'am.
Yeah, Naresh, I think every time you are giving your presentation, there's a lot of improvement from the first presentation to the third presentation. Good topic, well organized. You're very focused in what you really want to talk. Yeah, as Anita ma'am said, the pronunciations, the stress that you have to do. You gave a very good example of teacher, right? Where you said that R should be silent. But what happened with your words when you were talking about desert and phonetics? The pronunciation went wrong. I do understand. Probably, I think you are from Telugu medium, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I would say is that, see, as I've been telling from yesterday, now we are come to another level, right? We know that you have made a scale, a growth in your presentation. There's a lot of improvement and all. Please, my only suggestion is, it's not only you, we also make mistakes. But always, better to check whatever words we are not very sure about the pronunciation. Learn the pronunciation, take down, you have your smartphones which give you how to pronounce it in English, not the phonetic transcription. So practice that and come. I think you'll be flawless after that. Very nice. Keep improving.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very well done, Naresh. I mean, I see a remarkable growth from the first seminar without video to the second with video, third, and now the fourth seminar. I think this is how one learns to grow. Very focused, very crisp, and very nice. Good, Ma. Keep it up.
Thank you.